Xpertifi newsletter. We will be discussing current banking news to keep you updated and informed. Let's dive into the news from last week. Finance Ministry discusses financial inclusion schemes. The Finance Ministry has called a meeting of public sector banks, PSBs. They reviewed the progress of the financial inclusion schemes like PM Vishwakarma, Jan Suraksha and Mudra Yojana. The meeting also reviewed other schemes like Stand Up India, Startup India and PM Swanidhi. Earlier this year, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that schemes like Jan Dhan and Mudra have provided widespread access to banking. The government is committed to further driving financial inclusion and empowering the underprivileged. Banks seek clarity on credit card network norms. According to the guidelines issued by the RBI in March, card issuers must provide customers with a choice of networks like RuPay, Visa and MasterCard when issuing or renewing cards. Bank executives said they need clarification on whether this choice must be offered to all existing customers or only during renewals. One suggestion is that these rules should apply only to new customers who can then choose their preferred network. The RBI guidelines will take effect in September 2024. RBI raises concerns about the small value loans from fintech lenders. In its latest financial stability report, the RBI pointed out high default rates among fintech lenders. The RBI raised concerns about consumer loans, especially personal loans, where over half the borrowers have at least 3 loans at the same time. Default rates are high for personal loans under Rs 50,000. NBFC fintech lenders, who have the most loans given out, have the second highest default rates, just below small finance banks. Banks told to stay alert amid intel on cyber attack threat. Banks across the country have been put on alert due to possible cyber attacks. They have been told to monitor their systems 24/7 for threats. The RBI issued an advisory on June 24, warning banks to enhance their surveillance and resilience against these threats. Banks need to continuously check network activities and server logs for suspicious activity. They must also monitor critical payment systems like SWIFT, card networks, RTGS, NEFT and UPI. Before we say goodbye for now, let's see how the various indices performed last week. Xpertifi has launched a banking course that guarantees 2 interviews with banks and NBFCs within 1 month of completing the course. So make sure to register yourself and inform your friends and family as well. Follow Xpertifi for banking jobs and news on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. See you next week with more news. Till then, take care.